Imagine for a moment you're a drone. You have the ability to rise above the ground, to soar through the sky, to see the world from a different view that few can. This is the power of flight, the power of freedom, the power of perspective. Just like a drone, we all have the capability to rise above our circumstances, to soar above our challenges. But how do we do this? How do we fly like a drone? First and foremost, we must believe in our ability to take off. A drone doesn't question if it can fly, it just does. It is programmed to rise, to soar, to explore. Similarly, we must program our minds to believe in our potential, in our ability to rise above in any situation, and in our capacity to achieve great things. A drone isn't afraid of heights, it embraces them. It uses the heights as an advantage to get a full view of the landscape below. Similarly, we must not fear of the heights of success, the heights of our dreams, or the heights of our potential. Embrace them. Use them to get a full view of the possibilities that lie before you. A drone can navigate through obstacles. It doesn't stop when it encounters a barrier. It finds a way around it. We too will encounter obstacles on our journey. But just like a drone, you mustn't let these obstacles stop us. We must find a way to navigate around them, to keep moving forward, to keep flying. A drone captures beautiful images and beaches. In the same way, we should strive to capture the beautiful moments in our lives, to appreciate the beauty in every situation. So let's take a lesson from the drone. Let's rise above our circumstances, soar above our challenges. Let's believe in our ability to take off, embrace the heights, navigate through obstacles, and capture the beauty of every moment. Remember, we all have the potential to fly like a drone. So let's spread our wings and take the flight. After all, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning.